In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a section in Squarespace. Anchor links, sometimes called jump links, are a simple way to help visitors jump straight to a specific part of a page. They're great for long pages with sections like features, pricing, or FAQs. Here's how to set one up quickly and cleanly using Squarespace's built-in tools. First, open your website in Squarespace and click Edit. This puts you in editing mode so you can work directly on the page layout. Now navigate to the exact section you want the button to scroll to. It could be any section on the page. Just make sure you're looking at the target area where visitors should land. Hover over that section and click Edit section in the top right. A settings panel will open. Switch to the Design tab. In this tab, look for the anchor link area. Here, add a clear, short name for the section. Keep it simple. Something like features or contact works well. Avoid long phrases. If you include spaces, Squarespace may automatically adjust them. Once you've named it, click Copy to copy the anchor link that Squarespace generates for you. This creates a unique link for that section so your button can scroll directly to it. With that anchor link copied, head back to the button you want to use. Double-click the button to open its settings. Click Attach Link, then paste the anchor link you just copied into the link field. Save your changes. That's it. Your button is now connected to that section, and when someone clicks it, the page will smoothly scroll right to the spot you chose. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Anchor links work best when the button and the target section are on the same page, so use this method for single-page jumps. If you change the section's name later, remember to update the button link so it stays accurate. Also, if your page has a sticky header, Squarespace typically accounts for it, but using concise section names can help you manage and remember your anchors more easily. And there you go. You've linked a button to a specific section in Squarespace using the section's anchor link. It's a small tweak that makes navigation feel polished and intentional, helping visitors find what they need without scrolling around. Thanks for watching, and happy building.